This ultimate clothing mod gives you full control over your character's outfit, letting you customize every detail in Hogwarts Legacy. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, scroll down and go to Files tab and check the manual download option. Check slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this another mod link. Go to Files and check the manual download option and check slow download option. After the download done, select this folder icon, click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR, and then just open the Epic Games launcher and select the three dot icon next to Hogwarts Legacy and select manage and select this open install location. Open the Phoenix folder, content folder, packs folder. If the mods folder doesn't created in your case, then check my video description for this text. Just copy and just copy the text like this and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Paste the text we copied and open the mods folder. Whatever mods in here, just delete it and just drag and drop these files inside. Let's go back and open this BP apparate. Just drag and drop these files as well. And then just close it off here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F8 key and type here DEK, D caps letter, out O caps letter, fit, studio, S caps letter, beta, BETA caps, full caps, and press enter. And now press the F8 key again, press the J key, and this panel will open up. Select the reset option. This is my original color outfit. You can change the hair color right over here and then dress color right over here, blouse color, shirt color, pant color, socks color, shoe color. You can change it. And then to save this, select the save option. Here you can have to see three outfit layout. Select the first outfit and now the outfit has been saved to the first one. I'm going to show you guys how to save another one. To do this, select the save again and select the outfit 2. To load the first outfit, select the load option and select the first outfit and the first outfit will load. Again, select the load option in second outfit, select it and the second outfit will load. To get back to previous state, select the reset option and it will be back to normal. And to close this panel, press the close and that's how it works, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.